It's absolutely fucking wild. Oh, shoot.
If you're drinking Americano, you're...
Wow.
Dude, instantly, right?
Look at that.
So easy. In the industry, this is what they call the money shot.
Fucking wild.
Hello, world. Today we're here with Jordan Syatt. We're going to be making some coffee. We're making an iced caramel Americano with sweet cream cold foam. Jordan.
Yeah.
You're freaking tall, dude.
Dude, so I'm way taller than most people realize. It's one of the things that when they first see me, oh shoot. I mean, no, but actually Alex is way taller and I'm way shorter than you'd expect. So that's why we've got this crazy discrepancy going on. Ready to make coffee?
Yeah, dude. So we're using the Breville Barista Express. It is probably the best espresso machine you can get if you're a beginner, if you already know how to make coffee, it doesn't matter. It's got so many great features. Not sponsored. I'm just sharing that I get a ton of questions about what coffee machine I recommend. It's this one right here. And Jordan, since you've never made espresso before, this is going to be a great starting point for you because it's pretty automatic.
Before we started recording, he was telling me, he was like, this is by far your favorite. You said you've had this for 6 years, 7 years?
I've had this since 2018, so 6 years, going on.
That's crazy.
Going on 7. So pretty much the sequence of making espresso. Got to grind the coffee, you got to tamp the coffee, which means you compress it, and then you pull the shot of espresso.
Cool.
So which pushes a bunch of really high pressurized water through that tightly compressed puck to pull out a beautiful shot of espresso.
I love it.
So you can kick it off easy. All you do here is put this is called a portafilter, portable filter. You push this right here till you hear one click, and it's gonna automatically give us enough grinds as we need. So next up, we're just gonna pull it out.
All right.
And then put your hand right over the top of it, and you're gonna kind of tap it down. Just kind of distribute it a little bit, solid.
Okay.
Then we're gonna take this here. This is a distributor.
Okay.
Just place it on top of the basket, and you're just gonna twist it a few times. Money.
Look at that.
Now we flip her over.
All
On
right.
this side, which is called the Tamp, you just put it right on top, push down, give it a couple of little twisties while you're pushing down. Yep, just like that.
All right.
And now your puck of espresso should be ready to go in the machine.
Let's go.
Cool. You just pop it right up in. All right, our espresso is ready to be pulled. Take this beautiful skull cup here. Now this is probably the easiest part of the whole thing.
Okay.
You just press that button.
All right. I don't know if I'm gonna make this happen.
Let's get the build up here. Like,
Put some music on.
yeah, like make like
Yeah.
like anxious. Oh God. Now a good shot of espresso should take 22 to 30 seconds to pull. I don't
Okay.
know if this is how this is going to turn out. 4, 5.
Is there a variance?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh,
Okay,
shit.
so it's a little short.
Does that mean
it's
that
still
I
going to be
screwed
good? No, it just means that we probably didn't have quite enough espresso in there.
Okay.
It's quite enough grounds, which is my fault. But we're not perfectionists here. This is still
Okay.
going to be a damn good shot
Yeah,
of
so
espresso.
it'd be good, yeah.
All right, so now it's time to assemble the actual drink.
Okay.
So we'll pull out our cooler here.
I wish I waited to try the sweet cream for a shot on camera.
Oh, yeah,
because
it'll blow your mind the next time.
okay, yeah, it's absolutely fucking wild.
Okay, so let's
And I don't do sponsorships. This isn't sponsored, by the way. It's fucking wildly good.
take our first cup here. We're just gonna put some ice in the cup.
Invites me on your podcast, and now I'm just doing all this work.
Yeah, you didn't know you're coming to work today. He's actually making my coffee. I made his coffee already. He's making mine right now.
Is that good? Too much?
That's solid. And we'll just add some water. Probably go to about right here.
Is there a certain number of ounces you go
A little
for?
more. No, this is honestly, so when you're making an iced Americano, it's just espresso and water. So it's really up to your palate.
Okay.
Less water, it's going to be more strong.
Yep.
More water, it's going to be more diluted.
Okay.
And do you know where the Americano was invented? Just
No
by
clue.
off chance?
No.
Dude, so it's crazy. So during World War II, when Americans were in Italy, like
Okay.
American soldiers, Italians, dude, they drink espresso straight.
Right.
Right? But it was too strong.
For the American.
Pissy ass Americans. So they watered it down, and that's where Americano
That's
came
so
from.
funny.
It's crazy, right?
It's like a wuss drink.
Yeah, pretty much, dude. So if you're drinking Americano, you're gonna go ahead and eyeball maybe like a tablespoon of sugar-free caramel syrup into there.
Oh wow. Did you put that in that too?
Yeah. So once you get to the coffee, you'll taste the
All right, a
caramel.
tablespoon.
Approximately. Money.
Is there a reason you do one before the other, syrup before coffee, or does it matter?
Dude, again, I don't get like super snobby about coffee. You could say that you put the espresso in first, mix it with the syrup to get it mixed into the espresso.
Yep.
But
Doesn't matter.
For me, I don't really care. But now we're gonna take the espresso and pour it on top of the water.
All right.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
So, sweet cream cold foam, more specifically. So easy, dude. Okay, so you can use this, which is already made sweet cream.
Okay.
Or you could use half and half in like a Splenda or some sugar-free vanilla syrup.
Okay.
All you do is pour maybe like 2 ounces into that cup.
Okay. Tell me when it's money.
It's money. That's good right there.
Okay.
Another thing about cold foam, if you're making it at home, there's something about the science behind it. If it's not extremely cold, it will not get like thick and frothy.
Oh, interesting.
I ran into that. That's how I learned, because it wasn't frothing up for me.
Yeah.
And I noticed that when I took it directly out of the fridge and made it, it was like peaky and perfect.
Oh, way. Okay.
All you need is a hand frother.
Okay.
And you just hand froth it for like 10, 15 seconds.
Wow.
Dude, instantly, right?
Look at that.
So easy. Yeah, and that's solid right there.
That's great. All right.
Just throw that right on top of the drink.
That's a fucking
Isn't it so easy?
beautiful cup of coffee.
And that's probably like, that might be like 30 to 50 calories.
That's
in
crazy.
That sweet cream.
Oh, put that.
And then this last thing we're gonna do here,
Okay.
in the industry, this is what they call the money shot.
What did he say?
So this is what hooks all my viewers into my page. So just take this,
Okay.
and you're just gonna do a splash and kind of do it towards the front of the cup here.
Okay.
And then this nice, you'll see, so as soon as you splash, a little more. Yep. And so
More.
that's
Oh.
perfect. And so that cascading
Dude,
of
that's
the cream
hooked
right
me
there,
on your page.
that's the money shot. For real, dude. That's the money shot. All right, cool. And that's it, dude. So on a scale of difficulty,
Yeah.
how hard was this drink to make? I mean, granted, it was your first time using an espresso machine.
Yeah. One being the easiest
One being the
thing
easy,
ever
10
done,
being,
10
like,
being outrageously
pretty
difficult.
difficult,
I'd put that at like a 1.5.
Really?
Yeah. It was very
1.5.
easy. I mean, I had an amazing teacher, but like
Yeah, that helps.
it was very easy.
But I mean, if someone were to watch this video and watch us do that,
It might
it
be
would be
a 2.5.
probably, yeah, still
maybe.
just as
Yeah,
easy, right?
Just buy this and then you're good.
Dude.
Also, we should taste the sweet cream.
Yeah, let's do it.
Just let's. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
L'chaim. Fucking wild. This is like my 4th time drinking it. Oh my god.
It's so good,
It's
dude.
insane. It's 15 calories a tablespoon.
Yeah, per tablespoon.
Crazy.
And it's
I want a sponsorship with this company. That is amazing.
so good.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, man, we have our coffee. I want to talk to you. I want to get to know you.
I'm out. I'll see you later. Yeah, let's do it.
Damn, dude. Let's jump right in.
Let's do it.